Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a video on validating code before submission. So I can show you that how I have put validation on draft stage today. So I can show you that we can put validation not for creating multiple code for one day and help to reduce the duplicacy or in discrimination in the system. So I will show you. Let's create one code. As you can see, I don't have any code in the system, so currently I am creating one, so it will get easily created for right now. So if you see, I am going to save this code and it will get easily saved. It has been successfully created. So now we're going to create another code for same day. So let's say it should be not created because I have put a validation. If already code exists with for the same deal with draft stage, it is not going to create another code. So let's see it is getting going to create or not. So we are going to validate this. So now I'm going to save. It should not save. So if you see, it has given us the error code already exists whose stage is draft. So now let's go to code and we are going to change this code stage. So let's say I have done anyone delivered. So now it should allow me to create this code once I have changed this code stage. So let's see. So if you can see, it has allowed me to create a code. So now I will show how I have done this validation. I have created a function. I have created a function get relate code status, which I have done public. If you see, I have through the help of REST API, I have made a public URL and which I am going to use in my client script. I will show you the function how my function is working. So if you see, I have get code status and deal ID here. With the code and deal ID, I'm getting size of the code like how much code has been created for this deal. If there is zero, if it is get size is greater than zero, so it will check the stage, and if there is no code in that draft stage, it will create one. So now, so I will show you how I am calling this function in my client script. I have written client script on edit, which you say one, which is calling on save. It is written on edit page. So in this client script, I have get the deal name, value, and their deal ID. So if you see, I have called this public function which I have made through REST API here, and it is validating my function which I have written for validating code stage equal to draft. Then it will not allow to create, and here I am showing message for client to show alert that already code is there. So in this way we can validate the code on different stage, and we can put validation and reduce duplicacy in the system. So I hope you like the video. I'm going to put post on my channel and you guys can just watch and try it out. If you guys have any concern or any query, you can just comment on my comment section. Thank you.